Alright guys, I got my E-Flight Timber X here. Finally I'm able to fly it because I had vibrating servos in my flaps and it was all weird and messed up, so I changed the A332 servos out to A330 servos, A330s, and I just got that thanks to my neighbor over here. He actually has a reverse servo on because I needed a reverse one, so let's fly it.
What about that crash you had?
Oh yeah, so I actually flew it without flaps one time because they were messed up and doing the weird thing. Stalled right here and I crashed right here and did some weird things, obliterated the prop completely in the nose cone. So I fixed it, beacon lights broke, some other stuff, so let's go fly it now. Make sure safe works.
Oh, it's up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's up. I'm gonna try to zoom in.
Okay, you don't have to.
It's a lot easier to watch than your jets that go so fast I can't keep up with them. Your cameraman's terrible usually.
Oh yeah. Getting back into the 3D. Are you getting this?
Yeah, it's a little bit fuzzy.
Okay. Might want to zoom out then.
Zoom out, you think?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's some good moves right there.
I missed this. Alright, let's bring it in because I think it's getting pretty dark. Wind's coming out my back. Shake off a little bit, see. Oh! Oh!
Whoa, what happened?
Oh no. We gotta do another one.
No, this is a new one.
Alright, then just...
Alright, we'll try it again. We gotta do a better landing than that one. That last one was terrible.
Okay.
Look at that takeoff performance. I think you got a good wind shift when you landed, man, earlier.
Yeah, alright. Bringing it in now. May not be able to see us, but...
No, we got a little bit on the shadow.
Alright, I'm bringing it in.
See what she looks like coming in. Look at those lights. Incredible.
It's like Timber X.
A Timber X right there. Jeez.
Missed her.
What'd you say?
I missed her. It's been several months and the A332 servos weren't supposed to come in until May, the end of May. That's quite a few months from now. So, made it work. Finally flies. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. KVRC.